I always thought that trading psychology was the thing. I even hired a trading psychology coach before I had a trading system because I thought that that was the way forward. I thought that the trading psychology was going to help me and that was it. But what I didn't realize was that not having a system, not having a clear set system that I knew in every environment, every situation of my trading, by just not having that was creating emotions. It was taking like one of those headache pills. I was getting less headache, but I wasn't fixing the problem. So I kept getting the headaches. I kept getting emotions all the time. Every time I took a take profit, I would get emotions because I didn't know where to take my take profit. And what I realized after many years, I've been trading for over 8 years now, and what I realized now is that trading psychology, 80% of it, at least 80% of it, maybe 90% of it, can be removed by just having a really clear and simple system. So this is why I love the one-page trading plan. We literally put people through it, and after 1 week they change their trading forever. Trader Dante talks about you need to know what you want to see, where you want to see it, and how you want to see it, or how you want to take it. And it's basically the same thing. You just answer the questions so you can logically make up the questions that you have in your mind while you trade. So you create a system so you can be conscious of how you should trade in every environment. So I'm going to go through it now in under 10 minutes and build very simple one-pager for one setup. And after you create your one pager, and if you ever want to work with us one-on-one, feel free to book a call. We don't work with people who don't have a one pager or at least want to have a one pager. So yeah, feel free to do so, and let's jump right in. I'm going to set an alarm here, 8 minutes. In the one-page trading plan, this is the template that you get if you download that in the description. You're here, obviously, so you already know it. Here's what you got in your email. So what we do is we basically just go down to setups, we go to the extra rules, copy that, and here you see step-by-step. Answer all the setups question for every setup you have, add extra rules. So let's just go really fast here. So setups, your setup name, and I'm just going to do a very simple training setup. So paint your setup here. Let's do it like this. The setup is this, boom, boom. And somewhere here we want to enter. Let's say we also do level, and that's it. So let's call it something, trending god. Exact entry. So the exact entry we want to have, let's just do something simple, which will be break of previous candle high. So that will be there, boom. As soon as we break that previous candle, we take it. So right here, when we break that signal bar high, exact entry, break of previous signal bar high. Exact stop loss is 1 point under the lows there. So let's do 1 point under lows, signal bar, basically. Exact take profit. Let's just keep that really simple. Let's do 1.5 to 1. So that if we have a 20-point stop loss, let's say we have a stop loss here, we have our TPs right here. Perfect. That's great. And then we go to the next one. When are you allowed to add to the position? When there is a new trigger in the same direction. That's it. No other ads. Are you allowed to change the stop loss or TP at any time? No. Okay, so that's our setup. What determines an A-rated setup? So let's just do 3 confluences on this one, and a B setup, which is not as good as an A, but still okay to take. But we don't want to take that full size. Let's just do that. Let's do 3. That would be level, higher time frame alignment, and let's say EMA rejection. And let's say B would be EMA rejection and higher time frame. Okay? Trending, basically. So trending, and it's no level there. And let's do $200 for A setups, $100 for B setups. We have 4 more minutes. Extra rules, size for A, B trades, no trade rules. Okay, so we have no trade rules. This is basically when you're not allowed to take a trade. So if for a trending setup, that would be if we're in a range. Perfect. So that's a no trade rule. And also if we are less than 1.5 risk, or like RR, to the next level. So let's say we're level traders on this setup. And this is actually one of my setups. You can download that if you want in the description. Any other golden rules? So just 3 rules that you always remind yourself before every trading session. For me, it's max 1 R in loss. Always check in with myself before and see if I am at 100% health. Okay, that's it. Great. Let's say those are the only 2 rules. If I follow these 2 rules, I would say the rules should be if you have a trading problem, if you have a challenge, if you have that, like if you have a really big problem, just put that there in a positive sense. So if you're over trading, max 1 hour in loss. That's your blockers. You put that max 2 trades per day or something like that. So just set it up so you can be sustainable and consistent in your strategy. For some people, this is enough. and now you know your A setup. Okay, A setup is level, high time frame alignment, EMA rejection, or a B setup is EMA rejection, higher time frame trending. That's it, and you take big size on A, half size on B. Or if this doesn't make sense for you, because now you print this out, you have this next to you when you trade, and it's just very simple to follow. So now you already have created a mechanical system. And if you go through my journaling video, you can also see how you can track these things and find all your trading challenges if you now have a one-page trading plan. Everything is based on a one-page trading plan. Every client that we work with, it's if you don't have a one-page trading plan, we can't work with you. You have to have it. But for some people, that doesn't make sense. And what we do when we execute is we create questions in our head. So that is what we're going to do now. First, the A things, which will be EMA rejection. I'll show you exactly. Higher time frame trending. And then the last one is a level. And now we can see, we can do it. This is also, you can print it out. So is price rejecting EMA? No. Okay, skip trade. Great, that's it. Or yes, higher time frame trending? No, skip trade. Great, your system is perfect. Yes, it is. Is there a level? Yes. Take trade, full size, A rated. Perfect. Or it's no. So that will be B size or skip. Most of the time, like these are going to be a little bit bigger and you're going to have some extra questions, but it's basically just to make sense of all the questions that you have in your head and put them down on a paper so you can train yourself to be conscious about this. And then after you practice this for a while, you don't have to even think about it anymore. It's going to be subconscious and you never have to think about it. So this is the base. All of you that creates this, put some time into it, back test these things so you understand what is an A setup, what is a B setup, and collect the data and understand what's your exact entry, what's your exact stop loss, exact trade profit. You're going to remove 80 or 90% of your trading emotions because you know what to do in every situation. And it's ridiculous. It's amazing. This is a base that we have for our 60 days of consistency, which is a program that we have for traders that really want to get consistent in the next 60 days, because I wasted 7 years until I in 1 month got consistent, and I didn't realize that this was the base of it. And then what we needed to do was to break all the bad habits, break all the bad patterns in real time. So what we do in 60 days consistency is basically we get you consistent, we create a sustainable system, we create a consistent way of trading for you and your trading personality. And then what we do is we put a shit ton of accountability to you. We literally watch you trade live. We watch you trade. Time is up. I don't have more time, but if you want to just jump on a 15-minute call, but if you made your one-page trading plan, you want to jump on a 15-minute call, no commitment whatsoever, I'd love to help you further and the next step on your trading plan. And if you don't want to jump on a call, you can always watch my journaling videos, because that's how you connect the one-page trading plan with your data collection. And that's how you can create a system so you can have a weekly reflection and a monthly reflection that just makes sense, and you can track data and become a better trader every week and every month, and you'll have an intention going into your trading day. But yes, feel free to book a call with me and have a 15-minute free training with me after you made your one-page trading plan, not before. And if you have any questions, DM me on Instagram or to trading or on YouTube. So have a good day. Thank you for your time.